ka, ha?
Here's the coin. Oh, button.
Ang pagtiro si Vicky. Asya diyan. Literal talaga nga gipinog mo. Wala sa milak pinog. Literal talaga, dahil. Wala ko kay pinog. Siya, nag-iha ka. Pansan to leave me, Lucy. 400 children and trapped in that thing. I had some bad times, but through some sad times. This time you hurt me more. It comes down to leave me. We walked without talking at all. She was really when she came to me. I lost my mind. Keep coming back time after time. You took the time to leave me, Lucille. 400 children and a crop in the sea. I had some bad times, fell through some sad times. This time you hurt me